February the 2nd, hanging out with some good friends, Dinesh, got Tim here. We're on the Himiway bikes. It's Brent for BrentTube. As you can see, such a beautiful day. And this is a wonderful bike that my good friend, and I tell everybody, Dinesh, that you gave me the recommendation for this bike, and it's been working out well. I have 2,000 miles on my bike, and we'll get back to you a little later on this ride. I have 2,103 miles on this bike. When we get finished, we'll probably have at least 20 miles. We'll have some great views, easy. I'm Brent. We're here just enjoying life. God bless America. Friday the 3rd, out here on our, you know, it's funny you mentioned that, and you can take over my video, it's okay. But we're overlooking the Pacific Ocean here on the borderline of Locking out of Flint Ridge, California, which happens to be one of the longest city names in the nation. But we're on the borderline of Glendale, overlooking the Pacific Ocean. I already told you who my friends are, fortunate enough to be riding out here with them. But look at this beauty. We're out here doing this, talking business, a lot of different things, and we're super excited to be doing it. But anyway, we'll get back to you later. We're on our what's the name of our bike? Himiway. Thank you. And great warranties, everything. Hopefully, you'll send us some bikes because we'll take more people out. I'm getting a lot of subscribers, and hopefully you'll like, share, and subscribe. We'll get back to you later with more footage of our beautiful day. Talk to you later. We're on our ride, making it happen. We're in Altadena, Pasadena, just doing a lot of things. I have Dinesh, Tim in back of me, another rider going by, making this thing happen. And we're just doing it. Another beautiful day in Southern California. Enjoy the ride. Hey, it's Brent, finishing up my bike ride. Gonna get home. I got Dinesh as well as Tim with me. We had a really, really good time. As you can see, they're behind me. Wow, wow, wow. What a beautiful day in Southern California on another electric bike ride. We're gonna cap it off with a couple of electric adult beverages and just kind of make it happen. Have a good time. It's Brent from BrentTube. So here wrapping up, like I said, man, what a great time. We're gonna finish up with some adult beverages. Back at you, just living a life. And like I said, God bless America. We're back. We had an epic bike ride, February the 3rd. It's a Friday. What a great time. I appreciate Dinesh and Tim coming out with me today. Any words for my YouTube followers?
Hey, listen, Brent, I just want to say thank you for leading the way today. Enjoyable ride, great path. You're the man.
Thank you, thank you. I appreciate you going with me. How about you, Tim? Say something nice about it.
I'm stumped.
Hey, forget about it. He did, and Tim did well. We'll get back to you later. Hey, please like, comment, and subscribe if you like the videos. We're out here working hard, having fun, so you could have fun through us. So, BrentTube 2023, you only get one shot at life. Make it your best. Bring it out. Looks like it's going to be a great Friday night.